Hi, if you are new beginner to gardening or you love gardening, you love to garden and have fun doing it, welcome. That's all we do on this channel. This channel is all about gardening and having fun while doing it. And so today I bought a new soil that I want to try it on my plants and I want to share that with you. This is solely for in-ground, but I want to test something out. So let's take a quick look and see what type of gardening soil this is. So I bought a new soil that I want to try because I need more soil for my pot, gardening soil. So then this is Miracle-Gro Organic Choice Garden Soil for in-ground vegetables, fruit, flowers, and herbs. And then it says grows beautiful plants naturally. And then it says it's natural and organic. And so this is only for in-ground, but I'm going to try this in a pot. To see how it will do if it will grow the plant in a pot instead of in the ground. So that's what we are going to use. I actually bought 2 of these, and then each one of these is 2 cubic feet is this, and this is not too heavy as the other ones. And then we can see the back here, the uses, direction for use. So it's very simple, mixed with native soil and then plant. Actually the direction 1 is you just mix it with the soil, and then 2 is that you just plant whatever it is, fruit, vegetables, flowers, and then water thoroughly. And then that's the 3rd one. The 4th one is just cover area with mulch. So since we are not planting these in ground, we are going to use a pot. You can choose to cover the soil with mulch, but I don't know. I don't know yet, so we're just gonna leave it as. But that's the new soil that I will be using, and it's the Miracle-Gro Organic Choice. So I just want to share that with you, so you can try things out, just test things out and see if it works or not. So this is what I'm going to use, and let's hope that it works for the container instead of using it in the ground. So that's that one, and let's just start putting this in our containers. Subscribe to this channel, leave any comments you have, and I will see you on that video where I show you the new pot that I bought for this soil for planting the vegetables. Now let me show you how you can mix this up before you put it in your container. And then I'll also share the new pots, gardening pots that I bought for this soil. Alright, so I am just opening the bag of the Miracle-Gro Organic Choice, which is the in-ground soil. So you can use it for raised bed and all that, and then add other stuff to mix with it. So at this time I'm just putting it in this wheelbarrow where I can mix it with other things, or what I use to mix in my soil before I put it in the container and start planting. So I use garden tone as a nutrient to add to the soil and mix it into the soil before I put it into the container. And it does have measurements, how to use it, how to mix it. And this, I just mix it all in, make sure everything is well mixed. There's lumps in the soil because it's in-ground soil. It's very thick and it's very heavy, a little heavy. And so I try to make sure that I break all the little lumps that it's in it, so everything can mix really well, incorporate the garden tone with the soil to make sure everything mixes well before. And then when I also
see that the soil is a little heavy just because it's solely made for in-ground, not for a container pot. But for me, it is something that I'm just trying to try out to see how it will work in a container. And so that is why I'm trying this out, just to share with you. Probably you could also try it out. You can also mix this garden soil with organic Miracle-Gro soil, and just to mix both together and then see how it would work out. For me, I'm just trying solely just the in-ground garden soil, just to see how it would do in a container. So I didn't mix any other soil with it, just the garden tone as a nutrient for the soil. And so these are the new Potato-Gro containers that I purchased, and it's just something that I wanted to try out. These are the new containers that I bought. They come in 2 pairs. So the one that it has a hole on the side, and then that hole there, and then that's where it gives it air, and then you can also drill a hole, because they did a design at the bottom, 4 holes where you can just drill it out, so it can drain. When you add water, the water can drain out, but the hole helps with the air for the pot. So now I'm just gonna add the soil to the container and then see how much I can fill in there. And I have the new container solely for this particular in-ground garden soil. So this is the Miracle-Gro organic, the Miracle-Gro organic garden choice. Just fill it all out, and then you see how the container looks like, and then you can just arrange it so it lines straight with the holes that is on the side of the pot or the container. There is a lot. That container alone, I mean the garden soil, that is 2 cubic feet per a bag. That is the biggest bag, and so there is a lot in there. That is the second bag that I am mixing, and so that's going to be quite a lot of containers to have. But since I need it, I wanted to use both bags. So that is the second bag that I'm putting in a different gardening containers that I have. I do have different types of gardening containers that I use. The potato grower container was a new addition to all the containers I have. Now you can see the soil in all the containers, really well put together, and that's the organic garden choice in-ground soil. It looks good. I mean, it's a tryout, and so we're gonna see how the plants are going to grow using this soil, and that's it. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and leave any suggestions you have in the comment section below for me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care. Bye.